Okay, so let me just see if I could get a close-up on here, get it into focus, because I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do here. All right, so you see this is the brake with a bunch of, I don't know, coloring, whatever. So you see it has a cylinder tube right here, and it has a indent to put stuff in right there, right? So what you do is you put it in, you close it. Now you see there's a line here, right? Now don't worry, you're not going to destroy it. You're just going to want to pull until it goes into, wow, this is going to be a tough one. Has to give me one moment because it's supposed to go through this. Damn. I almost got it. This is pain in the butt always. It's kind of like stringing a crossbow. That's what that reminds me of. Here we go. Got it. And then, so sometimes you have to just pull and then you put it back in and there you go. Brake secure. So that's that. Hope you guys saw it. I'll see how that worked. As always, guys, if you like what you see, self-funded here, be sure to check out all my other stuff, from mini series to unboxings to technology, you know, and Nintendo reviews and 3D printer reviews and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, the only way you can help the channel is by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. As many more cool videos to come. Definitely want you guys in it, and I want you guys to be vocal. Definitely comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.